Hello, Sky Traders. Welcome back to a new YouTube video. In this series of YouTube videos, we do price recaps and forecasts for different financial markets. So we do for stocks, crypto, indices, forex, and comment down below which currency, which price pair or currency pair, crypto pair, whatever the financial market that you'd like us to analyze. And definitely we're going to consider it in future videos. So without further ado, let's get started in today's video. And in today's video, we're going to see what's happening and what's going on with the XRPUSD or the Ripple. It's been a bullish week or 2 weeks, consecutive weeks for the crypto markets generally, and for the Ripple specifically. We have some bullish signs, and we discussed this actually in our last video, Bitcoin recap. We discussed there are some bullish signs for the Bitcoin, and definitely this reflects to all crypto assets. So this is Mina, your trading coach, and today we're going to discuss the Ripple USD. As we usually do, we not only focus on the recap or what happened or the forecast, what's going to happen or what's likely going to happen, but also in these videos, we enforce some concepts that we need to understand in order to create a better visualization of the anticipation that we're going to do and the analysis on what the price have already done, right? So in today's video, we're going to discuss 3 important topics: sell side, buy side, price potential, and liquidity hunts. All right. So in all of our videos, we do a top-down analysis. So again, we go from higher time frames, monthly, weekly, daily, to lower time frames, 4 hours, 1 hour, 15 minutes even. And we find what's the best opportunity or entry for a trade, right? So on the monthly time frame, it's obvious that we are in a downtrend. All the crypto, and not only crypto, like all the financial markets are in a downtrend, and financial assets. And we can see this and emphasize this by the sell side and buy side. What's a sell side? Usually when we are in a bear market, price is creating a lower highs and lower lows, right? And this is not only like a trend line or a rectangle or whatever, but the thing is that due to the heavy pressure of sell side liquidity and sell orders that are being placed, price is not able or don't have the sufficient potential to break through the previous high. And not only has the sufficient potential or the sufficient power to break through these previous highs, but also reject aggressively from the previous levels. Why? Because it's considered a order blocks. An order blocks means like order is blocked from a specific price level because price couldn't penetrate through this level, and large institutions are protecting the orders. So these orders are not going to be taken out of the market. That's why we see lower highs, lower lows, lower highs, lower lows, lower high, lower lows, right? And whenever we see another lower low is created, it has to be started with a high or an aggressive rejection from previous price levels. We see the rejection here. We see the rejection here. We see the rejection here. Right? Why it's important levels? Because it's an order block. Because a lot of buy orders were trapped, as we've been discussing in all of the videos. Whenever there's a trap order, and a trap order is identified by a downtrend or an uptrend, where there is a high pressure buy or sell candle in the opposite direction of the trend, and it's followed by a high or aggressive rejection of a candle that's opposite to this candle. So we are in a downtrend. This is a high pressure buy candle, so a lot of buyers are trapped, followed by consecutive high pressure sell candles trapping out of those orders. So when we're gonna try to trade back to this level, we're gonna reject aggressively. And if this doesn't happen, that either means that we're gonna change the direction or indication of a start of a reversal. So this could be a potential sign, right? So combining this to our previous videos, if you go and check our previous videos on the channel, we said before that we identify a trading range, right? What's the trading range in Ripple? It's from the start of the previous uptrend to the end. So when price is trying to reach for the next important liquidity levels, it's this area, right? That's why we see a lot of rejection from these levels. Let's remove all of these drawings and try to move to lower time frames. So on the weekly time frame, previously we said sell side, buy side, liquidity hunts, and potential, right? Price have been consolidating at this price level, right? And we previously said, once we have a consolidation, price is trying to collect some orders unless or until it has the sufficient potential to break this consolidation, right? So this is the second concept, the potential. How we're gonna get this potential? We said it before in previous videos, either in important news releases or announcements like interest rates, unemployment rate, non-farm payrolls, or during important trading sessions like New York, London. So what happened is price gained the potential to break this consolidation level, right? So what's the next trading range? This is the upper limit. It's not supposed that we need to reach this upper limit, but this is the upper limit of the trading range that we're trading in, right? And if we move to the daily time frame, we can see that there were a slight consolidation during the past 20 days or something. And we broke this consolidation at the 4th of November. What happened at the 4th of November? The non-farm payroll and the unemployment rate in US. So price gained the sufficient potential to break this consolidation area. This is the second concept. Price potential to go to the next level. Combining this to the sell side and buy side, we can see like on the past months, even from 22nd of Sep till today, we've been creating a sell side liquidity, right? Lower highs with rejection and lower lows. So combining the third concept, which is the liquidity hunt, what's the price is trying to do is to reach to the previous liquidity areas, which is called liquidity hunts. So if we're bullish, which is the case in the crypto right now, price is going to try to reach those liquidity hunts. On the overall, this is considered all the consolidation level. So we again need to break this consolidation level with a high pressure buy candle on the higher time frame. Could be the weekly time frame, could be the monthly time frame, could be the daily as well. For example, if tomorrow we broke this consolidation area with a high pressure buy candle taking out of all of these liquidity hunts, we can expect more and more uptrend. So these are the 3 important concepts that we need to demonstrate in today's videos. Not only to recap and forecast what's going to happen with the Ripple or the crypto, but how we can use these concepts to analyze and forecast or anticipate what's going to happen in the future. Sell side, buy side, price potential, and liquidity hunts. Go check all of the crypto charts. Same concepts apply to all of them. Go and check your charts, comment down below in the comment section, and let us know whatever you see in your charts, right? It's quite interesting. Like when you demonstrate and when you understand, absorb all of these concepts and try to look at them in the chart, and you're gonna find them like so obviously. At the beginning, it's not gonna be easy. It's gonna be hard to identify these areas, but then when you practice more and more and more, when you analyze price charts from years and months, and you're gonna find this applied to all time frames, all price charts. It's fascinating, right? So this is for today's video. Thank you so much for watching, and let me know down in the comments what other markets you need us to analyze, or what other concepts you need us to analyze. Thank you so much for watching. This is Mina, and it's Sky Traders. Trade safe.